In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add glitch beep effect screen in your video easily. If you want to quickly censor a word or draw attention to a cut with a futuristic distortion and a short beep, this simple workflow in CapCut will do the trick. First, open CapCut in your browser or launch the app. Create a new project, and when you're asked to pick a canvas, choose 16:9. This widescreen format is the go-to for YouTube and most social platforms, and it helps the effect fit the frame without awkward cropping. Bring your footage into the project and drop it onto the timeline. Give the timeline a quick zoom so you can find the exact moment where you want the glitch and beep to happen. It could be over a word you want to censor, or as a stylistic stutter to emphasize a cut. Now open the Elements panel. This is where CapCut keeps its overlays, animations, and graphic bits that sit on top of your footage. Inside Elements, look for the Stock Videos section. There, you'll find a ready-made glitch beep effect. Click it to add it to your project. If it's not visible right away, use the search bar and type terms like beep or glitch to surface similar assets. When the effect appears on your timeline, place it on a track above your main video and slide it so it lines up with the moment you marked. Trim the start and end so it only covers the exact duration you need. Many of these clips include a built-in beep and screen distortion, so you get both the sound and the visual in one move. Next, arrange your videos. Think of this as tidying the timeline so everything plays in sync. Keep your base footage on the bottom track, the glitch beep on the track above, and adjust timing until the beep hits precisely on the beat or syllable you're targeting. If the visual takes over too much of the frame, scale it down or reposition it in the preview. If the audio feels harsh, lower the clip's volume slightly. If it's too subtle, nudge it up. For tight syncing, zoom in and move the effect by single frames. Give it a quick preview from a few seconds before the effect, so you can judge the impact in context. Once the timing, look, and loudness feel right, your glitch beep is set. That's all you need to add a clean, attention-grabbing beep effect to your video, fast and with minimal clicks.